Placebo domino is a Latin phrase that means, I shall please the Lord. The phrase comes from the Latin Vulgate translation of Psalm 116 verse 9, which in English reads, I will walk before the Lord in the land of the living. In the Latin Vulgate, this verse begins with the words, Placebo domino in region vivorum, which can be translated as, I shall please the Lord in the land of the living. The phrase, placebo domino, has sometimes been used in a more general sense to refer to the idea of pleasing or appeasing a powerful authority, whether that be a religious figure, a political leader, or some other figure of authority. It is also sometimes used ironically or sarcastically to imply that someone is trying to ingratiate themselves with a figure of authority in a disingenuous or manipulative way. For example, to sing placebo at a funeral is a term that was used to describe the action of those who falsely claim a connection to the deceased to get a share of the funeral meal, and hence a flatterer, and so a deceptive act to please. In the context of medicine, a placebo or a sugar pill is a substance that has no therapeutic effect but is given to a patient to please or satisfy them. The use of placebos in medicine can be traced back to ancient times, when healers would use various herbs, minerals, and other substances to treat their patients, often without a clear understanding of their actual pharmacological properties. The term placebo effect was first used by the British physician Henry K. Beecher in 1955, in an article titled The Powerful Placebo. Beecher conducted a study on the effectiveness of analgesics and found that approximately one-third of patients who received a placebo reported a significant reduction in pain. This led him to coin the term placebo effect to describe the phenomenon of patients experiencing a positive effect from a treatment that has no active therapeutic ingredient. Since then, the term has become widely used in medical research and practice to describe the beneficial effects that can result from a patient's belief in a treatment, even if the treatment itself is inert. Today, the placebo effect remains a topic of great interest to researchers and medical practitioners alike, as they seek to understand the mechanisms behind this powerful phenomenon and to harness its potential to improve patient outcomes. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below and I'll be sure to respond. Thank you.